Today we have a 2009 Hyundai Sonata. If you look here, this seat switch goes back, forward, and the tilt, but it won't go forward and back. This one works as well. So I think the switch is broke here, so we have a new switch right there. I'll take you guys through replacing this. First we got to get the paneling off. Okay, and then we can get to the switch and get all that replaced. See, no forward and backwards. Just recline forward, recline backwards. So first things first, a little hole right here you can get your finger in. Just want to get your finger in there and pop that. So look, it just goes in those clips right there. Pop those off. Keep moving your way down. Got a little pry tool here. Help me out. Let's see. Get this in. See, there's more pins right there that come out. Take a look down here, what's going on. Pop it off back here. We'll go around to the back to get that one. Pop this guy off. There it is, right there. There's a screw back here. There you go. We'll get that out. This one right here. I got them to leave this attached. It's a screw back there and it looks like it's going to be hard to get off. So you can just get access to the brake switch. No, not the brake switch, the seat controller switch module. Let's see, there's two different plugs on it. As you can see, it appears our new one matches the old one, so we'll go ahead and get the other one out and put this one in. Appears to be a good match. Oh, pretty cool. Got the new switch in, got both the connectors connected. Gonna mount it back to the seat and get the trim back on. We have the new seat switch in. Here's the old one. You can see it goes forward and backwards now. The reason that led me to believe it was a switch and not the motor, because it would tilt forward, up and down, not forward and backwards. There was obviously power going to the switch. The motors don't really go out very often. It's more common when these switches here have issues.